Mira, the we are in Sway Esifa Bay. Now a damn has sent Sunny, and then the one for me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sasani say winty, and I'm in Fradobe. A bram see the area. No me jaw what to coin, and I'm a catcher say, Confan neat roofing system for no matter dying so my and I'll cover quantum for my Tamaquafwa, or my dying so I share, then you.
Now Mira, neat roofing system for some walking. A damn pan, a dance swam one, tinchina ching, as I said, one na some boy dance my yen.
Ore uti, unim says he can't wire ding, and I will yadi and swat. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama ye. And unti, and I'm a share will say, Confan neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Achia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, rich cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka home dia, any not Safre neat roofing system company. Yama free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so your poor down Sumawa, a chaye pa. And it just some neat roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion change pan or diapa. Say de, if it's sabre, equisi say, ye betty bronya bury no. Open neat roofing system company, a catch it, see and cobo down Sumawa. A candia out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka. Near do a chi aqua down swama free. I won't tiare. As I mind casting in pattern, neat roofing system for Abbey among Krabatani Biwo, Park so Protua Station wa store number 44. I and GRA office in Dinshanimu. A Muntre Mubiano, for neat roofing system for Ewo 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973.
Neat roofing system, Anna. Quality is our home.
Kwaba Ediva Xposed so Xposed there's no Ghana and beyond. I and then year when I'm a pump for Abuja and Yetia and issues no a banner pick up the Maya near a quack of fat at your blow near come asem. It's in your guat net tenacity and Kobe beer so we're Jumum why less busy and then Utifina will be beer oh yeah me say Namre. Share video no be so embetrebi. No mete nsema e koso e wo Ghana. Aye se Ghana ne ye wo no enkofu bi peso omde ade bia ya tintine wati ase e ya pame twi ne ye den e cheme wati ase. Bi di menua wetimi afra me limo eleke kwa me amega. Obetimi afra me efokent. Na ende esema e da apaso e kire se e ma me Agradaa semo abote ye ana muhu ye. Na yɛ to your social media yɛ to your platform yi so a yɛ kyerɛ sɛ mami Agradaa ne yɛakye no na ti a yɛakye ni nan sɛ ɔse asɔle no ɔbɛdɔbo nkɔfo sika de ama ɔmo na ebi mu akuku ɔmo 10 million de akɔma mami Agradaa na ɔmo nya ho result na wo hwɛ per video sɛ na social media mami Agradaa ama sɛ nipa ne kasa obi no mu kyɛ sɛ oni sika kɔ de bɛfa kaa akɔpie wey and nipa be 7 akwa report ama police na yakchi mami Agradaa to police station na obi be ka so custody ya dey to remand ene mami Agradaa akwa kopie e court na wapa kopie e court no e pese ye kwohwe video e kire mami Agradaa onam court kutumu se nwuma otu ni se ototo bonso nyankopɔ eye wona wo bosuru ni asase why within the Alpha and the Omega. And you want now we done your free and a terminal. It's the idea of Suavia. That's the yes, and said, yeah, Utu say, Mammy, I know you're Musumino. There's only two cross a gun and forgot some edition. Come on, why not? I have to say, I tear so for Ghana. You mom too, no poor that. Wey, bosu mi di otu musa no so nyame anta na okwa bosu mo. Me nim so ofi ada ya obo nyum dia because anytime here did the free police station e ba court ni na ba ni na wo gusu tonyum. Kire so no dey still na asem amuni onye guilty. Ebusuafo nyamre na mesro se safe e na wa join ya. Share video no obi su nye den enye bi. Share na obi su enye bi na ommeke nsem na ye ba be kan. Me ni ma pound for ene yɛte ya yɛagye yɛbɛyɛ discussions yɛbɛkasa obi si nyamre yɛbɛkasa moma yɛnkɔhwɛ video no ɛmra
Make no go too much. Oh, big man, make somebody to take some.
Joshua Yamie, Gideon Yamie, what are we Abraham? And you want to we Israel for every week was you don't feel the part inside there, Pamachao.
Madam for me Mwakaba Edeba Tuma GHS and on the 13th of October and Reverend Patricia, your friend Agradaa Obabe Pimu court. Na sisi ade yade a yegina court hanomwa afei na mama part aba beju complainant 7 a waka ne ho so no omo aba nanso nyomu nyina na aba abedu sisi a na sisi a me no ka say de yade a mama part hwe sene wo ba bedu ya enipa dodo na abodom pema na omo gina hanom twɛn no na sɔre mafo no wa ha na sɔfo mpanimfo ene ade ni nyina aba behie mu wa hanom a wɔtwɛn no ɛsɛ wɔbɛba ne lawyers na omonso ewa ha twɛn no na wobedu ya de yade a afei na omawura inside a wode asɛm no akɔhyehyɛ so prosecutor so aba bedu na asɛm nwa a ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ maami ba bedu ya no ɛsɛ wani ɛnsɛ wɔka kyerɛ ahofani wafa ne ho ankasa na no na ebibisa sɛ na dan no bi a oda police custody otimi nya adaje twi nanim makeup ɛsɛ wani ɛnsɛ wɔka kyerɛ yankɔ na yankɔ hwɛ video no ɛmfa emra
Make no go too much. Oh, big man, make somebody to take some.
Joshua Yamie, Gideon Yamie, what are we Abraham? And you want to we Israel for every week was you don't feel the part inside there, Pamachao.
Reverend Dr. Patricia Sofopenia or that heavyweight champion international ano ono ani obi a yehwe no e de bae na bra police fo e di ni free eye omajoso ebedu court ha na enwum ana sane eye no e kamia ese mama part no no ode nwum na ode eko eye court ho na enwum e na ode start esi ya na wo to amunyina mutie bi na hu sane eye maami ahofe eni ni fita ni fufuo ehye no a na e kamia ese ono ankasa no wadi eye enkunim ededa enu nti wamboa no ho ni makeup no ade a enipa bebre na eka ho asam na esanso na enipa abochenku hanom a wo twen se eye court ho ede eye emu atemu se na nso ye remind ni biem ana se ye remind no ana ye besan ama ni bi oni nyina ade a ne lawyers no ede ahyehye so ewo honom na ye try se ye bewura inside na ye ne akuye nyina ya kwakotie eye ne ebekoso atemu no se ne ebesifa akọ ede afa na nso no ade a oba eye Accra Circuit Court a omo empene se ensemtwerofo no ye nyina ye beko akogu eye edan no mu eno nti no ye ginigina ekira ye twen ese wo bewie na emu amane bo no so ye de aba abesomo ewo ye fidi kase na me kai wo se eye heavyweight champion international of Paniam asole ma ni bi ebo ne kwadu ne all night kase a wo ye ya wo kiremu a ade a wabu omo akatro mo se omo fasika emma magisika no ene na court esan etrana sam no eso a yamba be piem ye bo modin asa ye ne eye complainant ni bi ebetwetwe enkomo sanso na ye betimi ni eye lawyers ni bi akasa na ne besi bia no ye de ebeba abesom no like video na share ye on the social media platform no so media me just one ele empress and mema nyina kechuba ne besi bia no ye de mo amane bo
ebusiafo so wa we ni ti wa ko share court issues no na me be ye issue bi me be ka asem bi e de atro o kan mira ye chi ye papa obusu bempa within a day or quarter self and mo bo ya ye den e bo because we share the relationship between him and the president ye dey na go to police station e fa ne yam na orame we nya time going to one dress na ye said ye dey no go to hospital kana ya sa handcuffing no o se bia me hye nkom e ma president met na so ene Agradaa na ekọ court no why make am say kaka motobi Agradaa o e na aye make up na what dress na se ni papa ya chiwa ko police station da me enye se wonya issue big yo but wa wonya assault issue ni ya chiwa to police station ni ya ka to say besin court you will never even think of doing makeup. You will never even think of how to dress. But mommy way, hey mommy Agradaa, you say thumbs up. I'm giving you that thumbs up. Mommy, you come remember ya boom 5 I want no de to. Mommy way, I want no. Na what to no. Sanka we obi a eya nyame nchira say wa ba Xposed. What I say? Because there are moments I interview. Na your friend pastor Reverend Patricia, do you know something? Agradaa ni ministry oye afa kwa no obebu nkofo yie. He said it here and we thought it was a joke. And na yenima and na yehu ewo ahase. If you are searching it, you see it. Ya post it ewo your page ya. Eso ebusiafo na me catch you say me ni mapamfo and na agigwa ewo ha no. Me pese me twibe omo na ansa na me twabe omo no. Na me catch you say dwumeko a eso ya se anye obi a say neat roofing. Neat roofing say ono afi ko na wieye oye promotion. Obeti tisi ama ohu edan na apa no edan na wo pese wo boso no freni troop no be ye dwuma papa nye den emma call them, they will do the best job for you. For number na egu ona onye omundi kaso bom ni troop si wo bra forget the economy of Ghana. They will give you the moderate price. I would be bought chance so edan na eliki wo pese wo sesa obi abebo dan so na enya fa bio ni truth say from abusianfo ai unu ya bema me twa bema pamfo no na enye obi a say Yamsin the Jamaica no fi Jamaica na abo we tuti Yamsin dey the Jamaica aka wa oye fake obi eni ho Yamsin the Jamaica one eyo no pe na me nua ba man broni man hu ofe. They say me ya wale, me wale pra me wale. Come put this in chain. Other thing. Idi, I mama na najwa Belinda. Ono so agini gwa eti hanu. Nene, ni omu ba be twetwe enkomo. Na me catch you say o hwe me fefefe. Me nua ba mo gina camera na tinye obi ase nana amuzi. The film brother. Director one, producer. Ote system nechi. Na ma wo hwe nsem aye den koso. Na me Belinda. Mr. Yamsin. Mama kwa ba edeba Xposed. Ahwefo se ene eyom so mo de se ya frem a. Munya mre ne ye ba be discuss say about mama Agradaa. But with the issue of Agradaa, Mama Belinda me no be kasa. Maybe so question.
Okay.
Na answer na obeka san pese wo twa asofo yere
Okay. Me da was say wa mami akwenya nchia kese enkoma me papa David Ekulabi ena me mami Olivia Okobi ena afenso me director ba Martin Ohene me chiamo ena afenso me sanso echia Xposed GH ahwefo.
That's it. Mami on say Agradaa issues no. We beka say for the past years now, from a series of movie, from the time Agradaa yebusu, say August ya no kate say, aye say Ghana for a din Agradaa. Iti ye pay di Agradaa nti okotu ni din no, and also oye ni obie na solid na, e say Agradaa na ye pa ye mfam frɛ no. Into who are the evangelist mama partner, now the Agradaa no so aye den. Account say no oye tender. And as I say so, utumu so court to kai so to make us say or say judge you know and for doctor Reverend Doctor and so the din so menim school I'll call it. They say the din no Ghana no aye den ayef Yesu Christo din so no ayef. But okay oh, na me pese ye ka much about Agradaa issue. Obi ayache no e de ne koko. Why you make aggressive crime? What is your take on that?
Okay. Media nyamenyim ne say normally say do eba begina court. Yema akwenya ema osisi. Asin say ye be ma akwenya ma wasa matare say ye do kotuma unhye akare na ye do kɔhye. That's not what you wear. Enti say ye dey do back to court na ya be do asema yema akwenya ema osisa. Inti me sure say anything na when you stand up makeup.
Okay. You see, any makeup no kwana why na any issue on that. But you see, when you are saying, as you being there, una wan kasa otie, obi si why na po, why na zan. Na ye ko Ghana mremu a, azan na why no, senya eye ni ye chiw ye wo ye guilty to it. By the time we walk to police station, you are already thinking about it. How will I do to win this case? And I'm making guilty to the court. It is before now we prepare for court. You will not think about doing makeup and now how to even dress. Because send your TBA, who person who could do court near your mouth bill and out to me then because you feel say, hey, can of first one bomb and I will provide a victim of that thing that and the year bail I deal say 50,000 Ghana cedis. Do you still have the comfort of doing makeup?
Exactly what I thought. And bra me who video ni say circulating na me who say all to nyame numpo. Na we twi makeup e spec ahye ni hase na say na mama part aye kwakodi na asem an say o ma na ni brain no ase ade we joke bi ma no. I was wondering me say na mama we e ba ni say na we twi makeup aka na no red asan so abos spec na me say and then the pot body.
Me ba so put your mommy.
Okay.
Mr. Yamson, me how? You see, issue now air personal. Who say mommy Agradaa? She is thinking the police system and the law of Ghana is a joke.
A joke. One can say confirming be a joke. I didn't think I say a joke. China yachi my part in Yina so be any so. Court na ye de no court. In Yina so any so. E stake a canon papa bomb. Enko do baby, enko siaka. Ombe free canon be bomb. Because what is her offense? When you be na why or your chin.
And born na why ain't a ye chin say. Uncle Phoebe say, or so moon bra or the 3 billion. Say a Juma person, your move scandal or the squianny be bedding. I bet can one woman. But at the end of the day, Kofone say, I got down to scanner and woman. That means it has alleged the Obibeka said was scam and now was fraudy. That is why a year reporter, thank for 7 years then. A call report say our police station. Am I ever cheap, Mamiaga? Until the offense they said was fraudy Obi.
Me have a point of correction. My part, evangelist, on fraudy OBI, on scammy OBI, on GOBI. Yes, say achichi yes so pemuja do boa the dusu and the Friday man. My part, so be man the church members car because once the church members every into not the bar SU. Obe man the church members canteen well person obe bar so brasol. I say also already know the members in the church are more their names has been listed. What actually mudia on nim for do ba more muska. Until some for no call for to say my part are Musika on Musika, they are not church members. Obiasi can you my part on Jobia 10%. And then the others yes can almost bow to make us say my party are Musika. Whoa, those people there are on the court police station. They were being sent by people behind the scene to disgrace my part. But
when you are you trying to say, Mommy Agradaa na or some for 7 particularly, they were sent by people to sabotage her and I say, the assembly brain.
Yes, sabotage her because I will check the scenario of the statement now and for funny making now. As a son who said, they are big. Oh, yeah, small. Okasa because they hear me, my men, me meninjo, or am soft bar, me meninjo. You said yours, need to do any sound, you're so abo Takradebe.
Papa, you say, did you say that I kill?
Oh, or mamma be away. My part or do the man nipper or ya or abadaye. Or be for how not a teenable woman, and you cry. But people are trying to use her past against her. Obi our past. Let's see a cassia you so be a past against you, be no be Yamin or Nyami Juma and Oye.
It's in Yami friends so on the chess camera.
Yamian friends on the chess camera members. See,
so why is she giving the money to the members? I so complaining say
patrol. My part a chess and my members. I saw for no Mutonia more I saw them. Were they called to come and sign the church for members? Debbie. Yan so yan nyame afro so mo mbra so no mbeton ne ma o. So I didn't know obi a wo ma part say o so be ma church members ka.
Dabi
o catch me about let me learn.
Let me relax. I'm ready to draw.
They be on can't me, but before I say I forgot.
Anything, men forget you.
Okay.
So you jot down that thing he is saying.
No, he said.
Then whatever he says, everybody is against my part. Say and they are using.
He's saying that Nipa 7, it will be a chassis. Nipa na baku free Togo, baku free Wagadugu, baku free here no. And see how would them whoever that is behind this or better than better sign you class no. I first uncle for just to sabotage someone like
what
that.
Is the No, I'm also asking a question. What is the evidence? Say uncle for no muka so move Togo and no move Cape Coast no. Then the test say I'm come move Togo. No, what shows? Okay, say me patron me back. Say my bet today.
Okay.
When I tell the people on the public show that Mete Amasaman, everybody will believe it. But maybe I'm just staying at the back of this place.
No, but you know that people who knows you in your neighborhood, they know you. They do know you. At least, say when you'll be part of that here, definitely Nipa 2 or 3 they won't be well baby hour. And I'm confirmed now baby and confirm 7 way free, almost free a trade. They've confirmed so almost free a trade. And two Patrick said that is funny noise when I'm year or of course they will.
Of course they
Obi asked what or no mama partner, how does it even add up? Say, until soft will be sorry and compare for 50. Say, like how?
Into no person what say mama partner. Obi on one kasa na members now.
In fact, according to source, or scamming for big way, but I say, Obi say me, I will not take this issue.
But it's point of collection.
Hold on for you.
I won't sit here people
people are listening to us.
Okay.
When you people are making this a banter, my viewers will not be able to hear whatever you people are what saying. It's munya train, munya mere. I was young for now all the comment section here then. So but now all comment it make kind at the amount. Now we share no be so then join the my part. Obi say kweku frempon or the assembly ba ayampa. Mami Agradaa and somebody would be Abagana. Me yaba yamsin o se o maami nkofo pese o sabotage no. Bibo. Then the maami obi ba sabotage no.
Exactly.
Why ye ni ana sofo pani bi. Oh, o kan kamio. O kan me time o kan offer ni yourself for time.
No problem.
Ye ni Ghana ha ena sofo pani ba ko. Reverend Owusu Bempa. Efa the boys. Efa AK-47. Double bar. Pump action 45 ndade ani boys ekoma part wo fie ekonu ko treat you na we ni Ghana me want to be let me land
you are not hold on
no like
don't
interrupt me
no you are talking to the viewers
and me
so just refer to me.
I'm not attacking you.
Have you been paid by Mama Pat?
No, he has not been paid.
Maybe you
I'm not saying he has been paid.
So manage say imagine sending Nana who say Mami Abiwebi and then Nana if you cry buy. Imagine that woman was your grandma.
Mama Pat, now check me patron me bow. Patron, what the council na me tell.
Enti software ekwaye nyama ma Pat ekol beef abominable. And a beef now bomb with them. And yet, on Kwana, Nenisa ma part, they are a lot of some of the pastors are working underground to bring Mapa down.
The same patrol, young open so which they say, Papa, Owusu Bempa.
And you know,
I don't know for some members, you know, at the call. Ma, I will report it. Mammy Agradaa, you are saying, Mommy Belinda, please.
No,
that is why I am sitting here. When you reach your turn, then you can talk.
Okay.
Please, I'm begging you.
Mr. Rowe, me make you that statement and say, Yen Papa Owusu Bempa, and a day for Apple ma pata soro enye no na meka the beginning of the issue na start of our boys e call in change e ko tutu e woni fie no eno na meka na mde aba besi asem so
Belinda, are you the one? No. Hold on. Belinda, hold on. Selling wrong information. No. He's not. Whether he's selling wrong, no. Come on, Belinda. Can I tell you something? Emusafo mofa encheme. I'm saying, Belinda, akuma eru. Belinda is just having an issue. Belinda dream one on tears yet the reason power for 10. Emma Yam City or Kasa Sabi, no. But Belinda, can I tell you something? The reason why you are here is to defend whatever you want to defend. Okay. And whatever hold on. The right thing here. Whether you are being right or whether he is being wrong, or whether he is being right or you are being wrong, you are trying to say what the viewers like, because as some na here come on.
No, so are you saying?
There are people. Hold on. No. I'm not saying
allowing me to talk.
No. I'm not saying.
I'm saying I'm telling the
hold on.
Hold on.
Allow
young
no. He's not punishing. Hold on.
Like, without any. Papa, I'm sorry, and I also been sorry.
No, Belinda, can you listen to me?
No.
Okay. Listen to me and say, if you not make canon castle, Obia justifies oh you're wrong, and now I know you're right, and now I know you're wrong, and now you're right. But you see, whatever it's going on, Agradaa issue, no, yachi Agradaa. But there are people who asa yachi yato omo budget so. Mama who feel, mama who you come out. When you are in support of Agradaa, you come up that moment because are people so much ignorant that they are following this woman?
Who is hold on?
Can I talk?
I'm just so
no. Just can I talk? If you are doing that, we cannot continue. No. You cannot continue.
I'm a hater.
No, you are not a hater. So if you do that, we cannot continue the conversation.
I don't say Mama Pat.
Belinda. Your reaction towards
no matter what it is, I am the one.
Okay, so
I am no.
So do you want
I am not defending. Why are you walking out?
Because it's like you're defending Yam.
I'm not defending Yam.
Saying allowed him to say nasty things about Reverend also.
No. It will never. He will never do that. Okay. That is why I was questioning him. If you can see in my statement, I was asking him, was he trying to say that Reverend Owusu-Bempah is the person who sent the people to go and report Mama Pat or something?
Exactly.
But right now, I am talking in the perception of viewers. Listen, I am the host. But whatever I am asking you might be the ideas of the people. Unless maybe I go on the comment section and start reading. So I want you to relax. Okay. Listen to me. That whatever I am saying is a story said. Mami Agradaa issue na ye kan. Ye won kofo a owo supporting no. Itina yakwache no. Wonya nkofo hwe ni videos na ye play na. There are people who are praising her. Enum dan chen. And there are same people who are there kase. Eye me de pa because as I am talking to you right now, this is an evidence or emphatic say. Me mama, the woman who gave birth to me, told me that with her problems and distress in life, all time Mama Agradaa, she picked a car, went to the woman's place and went to pay 5 million to get lotto number. And my mother said she spent almost about 10 million that day when she got the number. Could you try lotto number just to make what money because of it? This is the evidence of my mom. It was saying, or victim, no matter what it is, she will never be in support of what.
Exactly.
Hold on. It is a young sin. No, this young sin is in support of Agradaa. So since you are against, you let him talk.
I'm not against though. Please, I don't want my viewers or people watching us to think say I'm a hater. I mean, Mama Pat means me and time.
What time?
And I'm a bonified.
You are Casaro channel. What time?
Hey, yes, you know my Pat. I'm patrolling.
We are part of
I am only saying the right thing because imagine say me nana over 8 7 years. Imagine say me nana.
You hate my Pat.
I cannot miss it, but imagine.
Okay,
Belinda,
don't you guys have sympathy?
So should
No,
Belinda, hold on. Belinda, hold on. No, nobody is saying you are not doing right.
But he's saying
For the sake of viewers' discretion, this is not an argument.
all right.
This is a show which is very professional, no matter what it is. So what if whether he is saying something that somebody has killed someone, you have to wait for him to get done with it. You understand what I'm trying to say? Mr. Yamson?
Me no abema.
Nyamre.
Intina mi se asem no so.
Me patro mami bisa a question.
Patro mi ti o.
Now, are you trying to say the man of God, Owusu Bempa, is behind the people who want the downfall of Mami Agradaa?
Mami, so it could be.
It's no when you
no. It could be. And you two things involved. It could. It could.
Hold on.
It could no. And you two things. Either yes or no. And as a woman, I say it could no.
I want you to be emphatic. I want you to be emphatic. Is he part? Or do you know the people who are behind the downfall of Mami Agradaa?
Ghana for no kase. Owusu Bempa sheche. Ghana for ne kanya me meka.
And
you mean
Ghana for Ghana
for ne say.
Ghana for
Ghana for ne ka. Na ma party ni no beef.
Woni mu say wo hwe social media.
Ghana for say wanana ma party ni no beef. You remember no Owusu Bempa.
But is he the only person having issues with Mama?
Let him talk. I will come on to you.
Allow me to talk.
Listen, me patron me bisa a question. I have watched the social media several times. When we say Mama part will be on time.
Are you sure?
Me patron me asem na me make. Listen to me. Come on. Whether I am sure, whether not being sure, I am not in support of anyone here. But I'm just asking you a question, the viewers' discretion, and whatever they want to know. Maybe so. Mama part, I say, when I will boo, baby say, and nipa dodo no any sign there also start to Apa spirit na me for the cleanse you. I say dodo na say there says sakra pen. Someone here come. Now what here? Coming back, there is some videos here. Ever since Mama Pat was in Juju time,
in the past.
See, I know it is a past.
Are you serious?
There have been people who are only victims. To the extent that I recall on social media old man, bitterly complaining that he was stranded in life, that he has to sell his car and use the money to go to Mama Pat to double it for him. Tio,
Ghana for Tio, I am a corner.
Into one na obetina TV this one. Mami Agradaa enu kwase no ka.
Ma Agradaa enu kwase eno. My name is Sao.
Me ba o. Ma Agradaa enu kwase na that man.
Eno pe.
Adenti na Mami Agradaa nko ana oye sika gari. You are talking because ni mo nsam na yeka. And then na man akodi court. Mami Agradaa onipa ba kwa na oye sika edro. When to me no be a man back out say, Mami Agradaa sikedo no ye me mu sika ni bi. Na say sika ni bi they be it is people that she has duped. Mr. Yamson.
Me abema. Obisa ma sempa. A very deep. Na msum ba be ma deep answer.
Thank you.
One. Ekrofo na Yesu Kristo osa omoyale no. E o Bible mu no. Ye bebe bo na asem bia no. Pilato anase wana bisa say omombra atunkofo send the poor apocalypse say me Yesu samiale nti munjawo omnu anka sampo na suafo no eji ni man na suafo no ba ko na eto no edikoji iska
woni mse
mami mbra let me we be say myself pese me kasa umo lady ni oba ni kasa we be say mama kasa dey
that is because
who again my party against me they say collaborate.
I'm not collaborating. Don't put me in that position.
Okay, then allow me to
don't
talk.
Put me in that position.
Allow me to talk.
All right.
When you ask me a question, come any abre.
When you abre, mema when you abre.
And mo mema mo ye dem mama.
Onipa o cast na money.
And mo ni oba ni mo ye dem mama.
No, don't go there.
Okay.
Yes, I'm saying.
It you know, yes when you be am bag here, am be cast am fine. Am ye njawo. So did he? So come Bible. So your Christian. Oziana no. Enti ma part say oye sika gali. Na wo papa penny mu a wanyi si ma part. Na wonim so obi biale no wakwa ji sika bra na say sika gali abesi down go take brigade. Na wo do sika say ma part enye double ma what do we? Ma membra nam one men's gold or si beto gold. Gold no sir, it was being alleged on my table. Ghana friend eka. Who beto gold na gold no fan coffee.
Mr. Yamson.
Let me
can I put the question on here?
Let me learn before you put me a question.
Listen, when you come here and we are asking you a question.
When you ask me a question, let me learn.
And I met me Ghana for Kasana Makasi. It is alleged. You are here to give people about what you know. Inti member Kasa and to Ghana police say it is alleged. What is alleged? So why are you sitting here?
Exactly. He doesn't
why are
even
you
know
talking
what
to them? You don't know what
you are
talking
talking
about.
What's happening?
Minute number one problem. Intimate say number one I have to use alleged. Sina mi mbambenya abanya mani because your facts when you ma
I know to me kasa based on you have to compare to Namwan. If you don't have fact, you don't talk about that.
Yes, what happened? I see what Namwan yes nalo to my party St0rm obi abremi sole obremi Namwan say Namwan aji obi sika enso no ma kasi Namwan ajom sika omu ni evidence omu ni fact dia because
they
one
don't have
let
evidence.
me learn. Allow me to learn.
Diane say, what are you talking about?
Who told you they've got no evidence?
Me too.
Who told you they've got no evidence?
You want me to talk?
You talk.
What's your name again? Hello, what's your name again?
You know my name, right?
I don't know your name.
Yamsin Jamaica.
No
It is a who call men's gold now for to gold now. Who for gold?
Jamaica now.
And I am a personal life.
Okay, no
I am
wonder.
a personal life.
And do you know the funny thing? Do you know the funny thing? It's like in conform with mama part now, excuse me to say, I feel like I don't know, but I said
what are you trying to say?
No, I'm just
we
saying,
have mental problems.
No, I didn't say you guys have mental problems. So I'm just saying that what's not here, I feel like what is wrong? Because
Mr. Host, you don't bring your guests to insult me.
No, but Obisa will say, we are push no say.
And I said it's my personal life. Either I push or I don't push. It is my personal life. So you don't have to I see people follow my party. No. No, so meaning that everybody will be of Jamaica be a push. No.
Okay, what do you mean to
and it's our comments good. Now koto go na. Nfa go do no nkofie. Obetua scan work. Obenso bebantino go do no one gold. A perform more than 5,700 some points and have to go do no. So I'm fan coffee. My part. See obe man church members ka. Mombra sorry. Onu no nim church members no man name kwala na list e perform by momuska. It was say members ka. Nti mombra sorry. O ka chere o see the members in membra sorry. Obi ambra. Nti obi ambra na wa list no person the member na wa list omudin ba be ka ofie. It was the back out to Obiambra. And this is one fit Togo, one fit Taprade, one fit North, now a bar. Now this number part says, so bar solia. So it's Kaka Crabra, bet you offering. What the 5 million bar? No, I bet you 10 million.
I don't like
or per se, dear, or the Maono, who say yes, a idea estimable, who have been dimly chess. Yes, you Christo say, buy your gold and silver from me according to the word of God and James. See now who say or this kind of monthly this can work for you pork. Ekwa for you trophy. Ekwa for bon kwan. Ekwa to kaponi mo money. E dey akwa for yem potom no we di no say scan no be say scan no dey ma on dey fa for ye man pass what that so. Me nim na me ye na scan nti so won dem kakao se no. Me hu akodi nti no. Me first scan ye adwuma. Me omo call ma part and so we yes scan no akwa for trauma police form. They are people they were sent by hypocrite people. Say almost set ma part but omoboa. Come to na ma part okoro. Bibia case no ya bullshit case no. And you take case. Obi look at him.
Obi
case.
That means that
up to now you should move there.
Look at what he
Yes,
said.
yo.
Okay, yeah,
My part.
Let him talk. Let him talk.
Okay.
Allow me to talk.
The
My
viewers are
part.
listening.
My part. And you are so saying I actually. Why you be sika? On you be a sika here. On fact to you and could you be a suye. On fasika and you be a suye. And for nobody are all saying the same thing. So all should they are only stick to their statement. No, the way can over for more than 100. Obi and bank complain say for 7 and they are police station. So ask yourself, others a day no more. I don't know most of from police station. Meaning that they have been sent by a group of people to tarnish my image. Yes,
question. You made a statement.
Just to never question.
Yes, you made a statement that Mama Pat, she sat on a TV.
Yeah, man.
And only called her members.
That's what I want.
But Okase,
Like-
on you, look at the video now. Osi woni bebiara wo free baby a opemwa wombra.
Are you listening?
So why would she, if she's only talking to her members, she should say my members. Nani pani who say me kono, me nya member. It's members pen echo. It will statement na wokan. Mama Pat okan when him fa watch and perform your members. Do you know the statement of whatever you are saying to the viewers?
Yes.
And I hope I will be too true. If you go members.
Members and be too throw ediagu obiani.
Can I talk careful?
Osi obiala embra. The members no and you want single room no when you go. Omote areas town. Baby no see obiala embra. Obiala embra no oboni members ni di. Osi obiala embra. Ni members ni opaches and ni members ni na. Ebi fita prade, ebi fita mal. Ma part. Our members o.
It will be bow.
But a ship of short time now.
Members to kwa them. They have been stupid to send their money to the church. Is that
yes?
Yes. Don't ask me a question. If you put up a question,
yes.
They have been stupid to go to the church.
Yes.
They have been stupid to go to the church.
Yes.
So every hold on.
And they
Mr. Yamson statement, let me make it emphatic. And I'm a man in your fat now who say whatever he is trying to say in his action, he say, wow, Biara, Ubekatine Wunyebi, and I will call Mama Pat and Solino. Because you are not a member. Because you are not a member. Excuse my language, not by my words. You are stupid. If you want to cause us Solino, now Mama Pat, any 3 billion, Yamsi Jamaica want to make it fat to you, say, you are stupid. And yes, you have been duped. That because of said Mama Pat was talking to his members. He wasn't talking to those people who were coming from other places. Because some there were people who are sent by other men of God, by Yamsi Jamaica. They said, Owusu Bempa is also what? Pat. Pick this word. This is what Yamsi Jamaica.
Men can see Yamsi.
Point of correction.
Men can see Yamsi Jamaica. Ghana for.
No, talk whatever you are talking.
Your life in
you are talking about. No. Coming to me,
you are trying to
create a problem. Your life.
You are creating a problem for me and
your life
with the statement now.
No,
he's my father. I am so penny.
No, who's your father?
What does the thing with Ghana for the thing. Ghana for the thing. Reverend Patricia. Any movie.
Mr. Yamson.
Mr. Yamson.
We cannot go back. So sit down. I'm continuing.
No. You have to retract.
I will never retract.
What is
what am I retracting? You made a statement.
No. Take my name out of it because who you are creating a problem for me.
Mommy,
what do you mean? Ghana
I mean, if you tell me what you mean, I mean everything. Mommy, Belinda.
You hate my part.
I hate my part.
You are.
Mommy, Belinda. Mommy, Belinda.
Your lady self hates my part.
Okay.
If she will be honest.
I don't hate her.
Can you keep quiet and let she too also talk, because she kept quiet in everything that you were saying.
All the animals hate lion in the jungle.
Can you keep quiet?
Because lion is the king of the jungle. Because all the animals, they are against lion to die, but they are lion who die.
What does lion?
My part is the lion.
Lion no, what you think of worry?
What you hearing?
No.
Until be here. Until be here. My part is a lion in Ghana.
If she is a lion, that means what it is wondering. So that means when she's angry. So my part is hungry.
Exactly.
And she's trying to prey on people's vulnerability, right?
Perhaps she's broke.
Okay.
Or perhaps
Can
she's
we
get
back to it?
My part is not
Can I get back? Can I get back to the issue right now?
Okay.
You see, with my issue, you see, I made a statement that Onipa Yachin, our court, I am comfortably, I am make up, address fine. There's nothing like a fear. There's nothing like a worry. When you're quiet, she keeps talking. You think that she feels so comfortable that the law of Ghana cannot do anything to her?
Exactly what I've seen so far. On one casa no fitted time now or yes gari not till date. Or you're very, very comfortable. Because you're comfortable, not say even kwampo who need eyelines, a buying for man at the police for us and I think penny for how would you be comfortable? Now I pick phone, now I video. Now I would have to just say, Obia and Brak now Yamson ever say, or to friend church member. They be me sure say, oh, maybe on person. Yeah, now you pass on you pass sorry, I did get set was sorry in your visitors. No my friend to and they all said they are sorry. I'm sorry, yeah, it happened. Imagine say, you started authority and nipa fighter. Now say a whole for and the camp no meant to man. And you said, I'm sorry, name to home. Into a two Safra Obia ba, or say, or friend church members into a whole for mission ever I say that. Does that statement even make? Like, does it even add up? No. Sisi anoma part ni ye hwese ende aban ene no bedi no obi a waje ni sike biara no court and make sure say or promise you say o the 1,000 cities ever obenya 10,000 or make sure say nipa 7
I won't say
obi a beji ni sika
can video ni man promises says so the 1,000 Ghana cities are not 10,000.
It happened inside the auditorium. I'm sorry how many call happened here. According to Nipa now, I'm case like they say. I promise you.
Keep quiet. I don't like what you are doing. You are interrupting my message. I don't like it at all. Be professional about it. Honestly, many engineers. Jansen. Many small money.
Let this act come out for people to believe. Say, mama no ye. They are doing never how to frame say their woman say nothing. My papa is a very good woman. Woman say your bow.
Debbie me patrol me. I have evidence here. Mama I have an evidence here. So let me prove him.
Are you done?
He's done. He doesn't have anything else to say. So don't even call him again.
Let's
see. Mama Pat echo or actor. You show so. As a more evidence, I just go on YouTube now and push it. Mama Pat can say, Nyanseni no bet na fi. Right? No pasiano, akobre, akopesitana brain. Imagine. Obi a we bien hanu aka say. What shows that this lady?
Nyanseni no bet
na fi. That time, it was an interview about Sita Gari. Mami we nyankodro can say, Nyanseni no bet na fi. There's no Mama Pat no ye Nyanseni. Na opasiano, na jinifo, akobre ni akopesita e dia brain. And see, Obia can say, what shows says she cannot scam people again. She has been scamming Ghanaians and even people from outside. She's been scamming them with the Skagari method. No, since I oil come for bar and as I say our bear pastor, no, the same thing also. And to me, the message I say, penny for some making sure some may arrest him because another woman in Chia, as she promised, all the 1,000 back. Who bet 10,000? Also, Biasika man, and I can now ask.
One next can watching. On Joe
Belinda, Miss Bisa was a more.
You
want to say, I say, Mammy, I got that Sakana members second after a young Sumaya.
And one
say,
I'm not asking.
No. But if you can really see, say she promised her about the multi-task. Now we are asking, did she give them the money? Did she? No. And as we've all seen, there was a video circulated. That day, Johnny for a back door. Just say, Ocha, after church, Johnny. And Tisano, how would you promise now? Himself, what shall we do? They will be for Mama Party or promises of a Chistana. No. Tisano, me share you say, therefore, me who send in court and say, you bet Jano because she's not guilty. But there is evidence that proves that she is guilty. Intimate. Say Yamson, I can say, oh, or see your bullshit after me to make her say your bullshit after now. That means that Aban penny for they are not doing the right thing. Also they are involving bribery. They said they are manas ever can't.
A man penny for a bribe. They are involved. According to Manas, they say they also need check Manas.
They be having them.
According to Manas, that
Mama Pat saying Jelena because she is guilty or saying
guilty of what?
She's what are you talking about?
Issues we're granting your man in court.
Oh yeah, is this issue? Why
I said you see, there are some people be around with the bonnie dinner when you're the you. There is nothing as a you be you so put me. There's nothing you be you so as a fact. I did bet you sani pram.
Okay.
Na make what you say. Into as onya ye victim bi wa de bi open no. Nya ka say na we de ye use. Nya fanchi no. Unhu say e bia ade esti wa sorry. Enhye da nya ade pote ma e pese ye chin. But no class e Ghana for ya tin asem a den. Abre na ma ya chin no.
Nah, I don't agree with what you're saying right now because this particularly asem a omujina sisitan was coming for 4 seconds. Which say and you why comfort be sika no gi but nipa 7 na ye gold. And this is what she's been doing since she was a kung fu bar. Now, but it seems like that's the same thing she's doing. And she said, she's not above the law. When you're going to make up, Mama Pat, pay the money, pay the money.
And make up media for the how be
now make actual say I you better line atu ama ahwefo so afre na omuso ayeden akire won adwen ena me be kan o comment no so e de ayeden e de ama how people are complaining na ma Belinda de emia ba na najwa Belinda de ko kire say my part has to pay whatever she promised because we catch him for say obemo muska aha nye sika gari mbre na o shede mu na wa palangas and body gas no mu de ataw no aha de na me eduma ne yensole mbo apo keke nti saa no peso apo dia obo apo dia Ghana fo semra ye eduma o mani mu a for the pair of issue a ye ma me gina mana sensem se ma mi e wo se odem ma mi o so oye guilty na anase ye boni kwadu na de ebe bia etwa na ye nua bema yam senso de o kire se people want to sabotage her mother, people want to sabotage her soft mama ba akope onipa na nyame asa no ngwa obi antumi fa nsanye den enkam yam so de o kire se touch not my anointed one
and do the prophet no harm.
And I said mama Agradaa they want to do her harm, they want to harm her, they want to do her problems. Mo also wazan na I say those issues mo kind of videos are inaugurating now. I said mama evangelist ya che say the past no was a past because mo kind mre bia na Paul or ye comfort Paul na edipa ene kunkum Paul na enuma boni na oye nso obesesa no obi amfa ne past anya de ankompe no it will hwa mama Agradaa nyame adwuma na oye because asole a wo kono o pastor o ma oskebia ti se mama Agradaa tiska to no so de bema wa ono kra wa ya de class no den o pastor ebusuafo na may go to my comment section na utia Moses Adongosin Ghana there's a Ghana there in semno den edosun DTV there's a bema otim nsani pan so awai I say why is this guy always following Agradaa? Oh Yamson, the lady is overcoming you and I say to time you I say hey Ghana is sweet to Ghana there in semno edosun nua bema flamboyant or say more fire. And Mutala Abdullah also may God forgive you people. If you want to share money to your church members, do you engage in TV advertisement to invite them to come for the money, or you announce to the church members at church? Where are your questioner? Yenya Bema Mutala Abdullah at the Ebai. Now me catch you say you be jack phone line no den atum na wo so ubetumi den afre enti ebusuanfo emre nyamre na fre na enso ye ne unya den endi enkomo na me cho say phone line na eda ho no 024 908 7799 024 908 7799 Mesa SSBO. Call number na ewo 024-908-7799. Ebusuafo Fred tie na also ekire wadwen efa nsem na ekoso ewa Agradaa se also o support ana so ohwa woni yenua bema Yamsin enya adwen ana woni yenua ba na najwa Belinda Bruni ba kupe woni ni eya metia ntio na unim na yesa etwa ensem so ansa na ahwefo ebefre no Yamsin me pese me bisa asem and yehwe issue no na ekoso uti enipa twen and I make sure say you will expose the atiano be ready for whatever that will happen at the court ye de ehun sembe ebebro o hwe verdict na ebekoso ewo court e say yes court mbu asem a ye mbu asem no then e opinion o hwe what is your stand about that issue at court
my part evangelist my part we stand on Pakobolka. There's no factual evidence there. You can't Pakobol, no be finding. Almost because I'm more finding. I'm not finding a best 1 billion. And I say 500.
Now, my God, was out 1 billion over here.
Damn, my part. She's damn loaded. My part to Wuska. Now, in comfort time. What? On scam you behind. On job behind. You don't allow me to talk.
No, because
you always interrupt when I'm being given chance to talk. Sympathy about what? Sympathy about what?
Who needs sympathy? Conscience. Like,
no.
Me,
for
you to say
me panelist, issue abeto bian say, hey, Ghana mo emra ekoso.
You kuni.
Wo so say den.
Me ya kan e kwakobori e ko fine no ni
e fine ma me Belinda wo so say issue dey say na.
Oh, yeah,
the best too. I actually we breaking news. A direct breaking news and me try them on fine. And you be na ubenya ne say Xposed. I yama me Agradaa asem na e wo court no. Utumu say still asem de eba eja you see. Ukoto say eja ebum wusia. Na wa bi say eja enim. Tena ho that is na asoja asem no abane tra na nkofofo na agro na ma me sole na otonwum. Next time so beto onu mama ya tia. Ye be den ye behwe nsem di abetem se court atu asem na ide asa hyeda na ya mama me Agradaa be na mama me Agradaa no ye say she will appear in court onko tina ni be hu se ni obi chu to police station say you wo be nda wo bi hu no ene mama me Agradaa ko ta ni obi hu so wi na wa ye meka owi na wa tunu na wo ye video they share the members no e wo asoli edemo ye say she will appear in court in 17th of October. Ebusuanfo mama Agradaa gusu da remand. Otumo se Ghana emra no egusu eye ejuma. Ya penifo enhwe na emra no so enye ejuma. Se ni ye tutu obia the same no encode likely like that. Na me catch up say fa number na ewo ho no ne frey. Nyamre ne frey. Ye wa ha we are there to pick up your call. Frey na yenye den yen kasa kire wadwen yesi ma me Agradaa sa akwa akodem frey yo frey na me no nkasa na kire wadwen ai ma me Belinda issue na asabasia don't you think the law of Ghana is not being fair to ma me Agradaa?
What? The law of God is the very good.
The law is not being fair to my part. The law is not being fair.
Allow the lady to talk.
Reverend
I said ladies first.
Reverend
talking.
Oh, what?
I asked her a question.
Allow who to talk. The law is not being fair to my part because my part has not done anything.
Aside from say almost coming to the almost so
my question maybe
okay, because why would you not allow
Ghanaians or the law is not being fair to my part? Okay, I will say a granting a bill, nay, I appear in court.
Oh, the law is now working. Me so far for the first time in my life, me who say embra ewo on my there is nothing like right.
I say you were already in October and this year so on 17th October. Who say a too short.
Nanka usually no senka okomegbo asem na gu. But me who say ya man bill ni DS and then betumi aka say aban any embra ewo on my ejuma because people were saying say obetua bribe and I say na ejano. And I mean, who said, "You should so tia no man." Because
on your body no akutia bribe. And ma I go tia bribe. Ma pa on bribe you bia. On bribe you bia.
That means say abai no ana say mbra no e ye hwehwemu mo.
Ebusefo yenya next caller e wo na yem pick na on chair na adwen. Pacho ufrefin fa. Oh, Pacho, hold on. Pacho, ufrefin fa. Hello. Pacho, baby, I want to bet me a gina ye na only a din come on. Hello. What's a make out? Na. Oh, ebusia for na yes at us utumu say yeni abema a friend no call line no into me engineer muye. Yeni abema yamsen.
Yeni abema.
Issue no uhu ne say. They say na mama Agradaa akoda cells.
No matter what, my part will be free sales work. Na ibema ne do. Because on year bonnie on committee offense be alright. The court to agent so just to say between so kakra na ne behavior ne miama bi ewo your social media or to me fa we na abozigini ne amane ma bi no omo gina so na omo de twena so ne ne amane because on you be bonnie agentia enkofu bebre at time my part and your time court no ekusaga so be docket eda so my hwem sesi won say my part need the we lawyer be no need the docket of my part no aka so hwem because on your bonnie on
patrol me twa no when you say there is an issue of a woman am say so oya lawyer mama frema also what you say she was once a lawyer of Mama Agradaa
lawyer Ifa.
What you say or Mama Agradaa but she went to the place no the spirit of the woman no and then if you no the surrounding was so bad. Mommy,
me pacho, mama me question, be some question. Mama me pacho, mama me fan oil spirit detector. Oil spirit detective. Lawyer Ifa, sorry, me kasentiano, but I want to ask oil spirit detective. I didn't work obi invite to another so you be aduma. O dey own here, fine. Don't come out remember because it time any pedenya problem and when your case and say when you be no about ask you call one failure okay when you feel any say or spirit any your personal way keep it yourself. Don't come out on air.
So no person sabotage Mama Agradaa.
Maybe and when you say we out.
And who say Mama Agradaa obisa no bobia. Ebisa who say Mama Agradaa bisa na bobia. Obisa Mama Agradaa eme oye lawyer no. Obisa Mama Agradaa skebi na Mama Agradaa yeso ontiana.
When you say asim na okawan kase.
And I am asking you say who say Mama fan so no. Ebi o call Mama Agradaa no ni business. So oye lawyer na dey wa business. Ebi o ebo na otwa Mama Agradaa no. Mama Agradaa si won tua na ama no so eba obebo Mama Agradaa echi na na.
One be case of bonnet. No statement na ojina so bi sam na enya me so mi gina so dey answer because who can say o say in spirit aye dey am pe na mi say adenyo oye spirit detector na say we are na enya mi say
Efo. Yam say why confused?
Yeah, confused about what? The bi na me so chairman nipa no nipa ni nya problem case here. Won ba emba out embe club bi amfa no ho ye. Na fiansa na nipa na nya problem no won waba out because you are once lawyer what about baby can be after say who call the fear now sus man pano business on him part na business one back out am the cancer
na me so me kan dia ebisa wo say ti o ti question you
Mr. Nenam to me answer
yes and na me say Mami e fe kura na oye lawyer wapa out or kasi mami spirit yon pay who say ebi atam oye lawyer of mami Agradaa contract no ni mami Agradaa ye ebi kro no mami e fam na ebi o demand sika bebre e na mami Agradaa ye say all ma no e na aye say enuti na ono so waba out e na obo mami Agradaa
ebetumi esisa so also the let
but you said a few seconds ago that now I miss it myself.
And your statement debut wait first statement no beside me first question and I will answer first question on mommy in lande so I'm compensate me to me in and for second one you should allow me to finish answering the first question
Okay, boss.
and some of beside second one I say you are not so what the question you no bomb beside me how do you expect me to answer those two questions at the same time one after the other. The mean crashes was but only guest no obano sabotage me essence sabotage only kind of a be sabotage mami me abema mami cast no assemtro when you are once a lawyer to my part one back out am make kasa wo say only my part say na nipa nya case enya problem say na back out no ba be say Ubru ni fie mkrampo no okra na se nso ampeni ma bia woni fie o ade na we ba out twempa ya ye papa Reverend Owusu bempa ebo oni nipa no e wo beef oni ma
you keep repeating what's Reverend Owusu bempa the issue that is going on Reverend Owusu bempa has nothing to do with Reverend Owusu bempa it's that you keep mentioning Reverend Owusu bempa. Can this man also come and take you on for what you are doing to him? Right now we're saying Kofo, but right now you're still mentioning Reverend Owusu bempa. What has he done?
Me anybody. Me make sure that I am papa I'm so for penny.
So what are you why
make a sense but me make this statement na statement na connect was side I say me funny blame to make the statement complete.
Mama Belinda.
You always don't allow me to finish. Man, when you ask me question, you don't be some question. Mommy,
you made a statement and I asked you. Said
no. Allow me to finish.
What are you?
You are collaborating with the lady.
Okay, Mommy Belinda.
Therefore, do you know me?
I don't know you.
So
But let's wait.
Mommy
Belinda, I want to ask you a question. You made a statement. I want to say, Mommy, if I'm class or call. If you're on one, she did not feel the spirit.
Yeah.
I asked him a question. If so, I said, don't you think so? Or not so? Ebia, and come on, me Agradaa once a month. Will she come out and come and say, I, mommy, no crying, and then a cry. Why did she waited and when I mommy Agradaa came?
But you can
okay. First of all, Mr. Lawyer Ifa Daffy, and then D.
That's a also yeah. Is a man.
Yeah, he's a man.
Okay.
And I think so. Not a lawyer, but according to him, or be a lawyer for just 2 weeks because or inviting me say brand film or calling as a born again Christian. And Luton America said there is something wrong.
Lawyer, me patron me go. Lawyer, me patron me so me bisa question. Okay. Lawyer now no ko be feel no any business no. I feel no dey religion ko repure. Law, Jumani, the religion Rawana is a question I'm asking you. So, as a born again Christian,
wait,
it had into your contract in the first place.
Wait a minute, April. Don't you pray? Don't you say a prayer before coming to work?
And no found Lord job now ordinary Christo the individual of Ghanaian.
Listen.
No. Question I make Debbie.
No. Listen.
Me patron me ba. Ashefo na me catch us say number na egu asem 024-908-7799. Free na kire wapin. Utumo say Ashefo free first no utumo say na network. Very fast. Iti kuso afre na you know you ba pick na osu patch there. Wapin. Mama Belinda. Coming back to your issue as I was asking you.
I'm saying, okay, listen. Even a confirm on fire. She said, I've come as an sorry. Echo Emma for no, almost need the Brunini picture. Where something I've witnessed myself. Mean to say, Yancy, and I can say, Ghana for say, almost say, I have evidence. I was an eyewitness to that. nipa no or yes scammer no or the obroni picture sorry or the betu altar so and I bomb pie will for the bomb pie man. The next day I'm passing up running this scanner again up to. And
for no papa.
Wait.
Follow or your foster. So for Diala or bomb pie man front boy. If I'm going to say Bronini piano. So for on your real man of God.
No.
So for or your fake.
That is not
so for because POB or follow in the wrong way. God Yami involved and in the right position to speak and to judge. When I will judge because it will judge on this earth. So for Biala or bomb pie my front boy. If I'm Brony or you should Brony picture, Bama picture, ba picture, Eddie do no Brony chatting. Now Brony next year, so for no your fake or your foster. So for Biala my front boy. Eddie Sika F1 account to move beyond so for your frost or your fake.
That was my question. I don't know what man is trying to answer.
I wanted him to spill.
You are not talking again. Listen. It is not in his
real evangelist.
Not for that. Now, so for this, if I be go up, I say, Brother, that you don't do yes, you don't do.
Are you not Sika or the other? Or not Sika or the other?
Or my
no, part of system.
Mr. I have told you, come on, stop that. You are not being a professional person.
Listen.
They are all you are talking. Let the person
you
talk.
You people hate my part.
Why do you hate my part?
You people hate it.
Can you keep quiet? What you are doing is not.
Look at the step you are putting the lady.
I made you talk. What is that? I have seen members of Mama past church. Don't let me go back to it. I have not seen you in his church. I don't know what continent for support. Come on. Let the person who is talking here. Mommy, also maybe say maybe say Mr. Efei. Mr. Efei or no so a lawyer ya okay. I don't know train your mommy part. Any issue no ansana or babeka se mommy soon enye. And at the end obeka se mommy soon enye.
Well, now that was because during discussion. And Obibisa and presenter and Kofi Adoma, every time say, oh, but I didn't tell a man who will call that now. Because Yenny and say, we are Mama Pat's lawyer. And I'll see, one back court because he is no more her lawyer. And Obisa say, why? And I'll say, okay. The reason why I'm here on the lawyer, then we saw Betty Nasaman for like 2 weeks ago, and on Nijai, a year legal arrangements. Now, Ochirema, or Kostra Mama Pat, you. Now, Mima Obia so to say Obia Bompire, and then whether you are a traditionalist, a Muslim, whoever you are, Bompire. Now, Bompire, so there you have an instinct, and I say, I don't know, say, Mama Party man, if they don't have some, I don't know.
I don't know. Okay.
I don't know what you want, according to lawyer, or say, the spirit, and you're comfortable. That means, say, Mama Party compound, the company,
Can I ask you a question?
Go on.
You are relying on the what Mr. Efa said.
Yeah.
But can I tell you something?
Sure.
And I'm asking you this. You are a lawyer. You are working in the sense of an individual, not the person's religion or the person's faith. Because what he's saying that the person does not have a good spirit. He did not say, I do not like the person's attitude. I do not like the spirit of the person's house. So a lawyer has now become a pastor or religious detective or what?
Clint. Do you know that? No. Is it Clint or Clint?
Kent.
Do you know that we have Christian lawyers? Do you know that? Do you know that?
And is Mr. Efa in that position?
He was once a neutral lawyer.
So
lawyer born again. To tell the man have the right.
No. Where did he say that he was born again?
No,
where did he say that he was born again?
He can say somebody is.
You see, I am not saying you're right.
I'm just saying that.
Ebusiafo I say also over what me say. Call line no 024-908-7799. Frey na yendi enkumo. Now maybe some can say more. You see, I don't want to be biased over here, and I don't want Yamson to feel any other way. But yes, maybe so lawyer was once still can also be born again. You don't take your born again into your profession.
Oh,
so why did he at the first place decided to do the work with Mami Agradaa? At the first place, no was on any
he wasn't a born again then.
Did he tell it on the show now? Who can say he wasn't a
but perhaps not good here.
What are you talking about?
Here, what he felt, he wasn't okay. He has the right. right
It will die. Now they don't want to the field.
Right.
So I think the moment hold on. The moment mommy Agradaa to your bones, mama is cap na can says contract on any is cap. It even crown on look our breaching the contract.
No,
because no, I had a contract with you. So we continue Buma. You don't come and sit outside because mommy Agradaa so I'm outside there. Me for lawyer be and I'm chianeka and on look at 2 weeks coming to me and you come out of the car.
But
It's why and the mommy Agradaa any issue. So why would you come outside and come and sabotage the woman and bring my issue? All can I hear them?
because right, it's only right to make a
no, only not
right.
Hey, no. Let me tell you something. I have freedom of movement. Right? Are you listening? When I have a contract with this company that I'm working with, there is a contract near woman. I bet you they say, and you be a best if I can be right. Captain Smart, we have seen on different stations when he was at HFM. When the Gina Bonti and today they see a free hole. Okay, and you FM or the best in code near TV. One today the reason the free hole they got now. He did not go into the contract here, they see it. The other say why then free hole. If the mister is on a contractor, why would he have to quench everything about the Tina Bonti? No, better. You should be emphatic here. Be fair.
No, guess what?
Oh.
And come contract. On bleaching the contract. In the contract.
Oh, catch that down and I again. No, who say all kinds issue?
Hold on. You are dodging the question.
Mommy, when you were talking, I was really listening to you. But let me tell you something. You are trying to just be as I say because you are talking against your mama part or whatever. You are instead to say as a lawyer here. But I just want you to know, listen. The lawyer sat on the TV or whatever, wherever he sat and talked. But I am also defending Mama. I am talking about Mama part and said, on any business, it was a business. And a contract, Mama part and say contract no Mama part and koyeni boni o akoba no case Mama part can say and your money bribe and on first can be an only be say na on your fine. But you can't come out and tell us say me call your home one Mama part to feel and your guy. I was your for Minya Bema Limo Elikem Kwame Amega. I had your Uber Tinana or Kasa. No matter what it is, I'll let you know whatever you are saying because whatever Mr. Lawyer, if I will be what you say, whatever Mama part, yes, you have 12 people, but Embrani idea or what, fine. But say young so Ghana for say, Ghana for penny no with Nansem and never caught Mama part because when you remember and we do sika we do the free and then or do to remind it is 17th October you better in summer a bed a besi and so and Belinda so actually say Mama part of better one day because we do people find that the law of Ghana should work but being back of it now me so much I say Mr. If wherever you want come on when you be a contract telling us no enye ye who make it mama Agradaa make me put in it who catch them here enye me hwe so when any business na who ka say be upon na sorry na who me wa so enya fine enye ni fie osmos who ko fie on ma a business on go who ko fie in spirit e wo ni fie come on if you don't like it you go and sit outside with your organization oh me contract madam and me client who fie on na wo me nya den me ebusuafo me am dey to me dey ebro me dey the limo Elikem Kwame Amega obetimi afreme advocate na me catch it say edumeku a eso ya se ene wo bia se need to number e wo asio na oni ohun endi enkomo na answer ni ye be wie show ya na ye be sori so no na me come apanfo na me ne esima me ko won ma me ne ohun etina se ni edwe ye bo ensami ehun dwa e de kire wo no na me mo omodi om last word a kire ahwefo na answer na meto aso amenko mame na atwa Belinda so na najwa and then no last word that overcatch before.
Okay, my last word I make Xposed GH. Ashefo inan say we should be very, very, very vigilant. Bible ko say mama muninda ho say aboa owo. Na obunsam ni ba say obewi ama. Me pamocho amunye very, very, very careful. And then we are gonna ID. Why pa no beka say odisa sika kubro no sometimes ya ma ya ho kwan and I fall victim to some issues. Imagine say what you feel no be say bra obi a we do kum de ni sika gari we na ho de we na so no de be sie wi nti de ameka ne say Obia enya hye na wan fall victim like this again. And I think so aban any bright work Ghana endi assembly pepe.
I hope say in similar Mammy Belinda okay Ghana for Benya Afuti no muso omai Oma eti. Media Mammy Agradaa issue I am just shocked and I'm just very surprised. But I also want to add this. I'm saying Mr. Yamson. So I had said Ghana is becoming a funny place. Ghana is becoming a joke. Why am I saying this? Onipa yenitria, onipa yenu say, odi bone why say she was once a person into ene sani pay yes garimpo na onye na wati asori a. Now wati asori catch us suffer or the 3 billion say bejiska. Wait, you say can't you be a bit smart? We echoed into our politics. Eating and paying for a buya kwasia or buya Jimmy phone because they know say no matter what it is, they will still have followers, they will still have people they can buy with money. As it to me and as it to me, Remy, our Ghana or my head, yet because sika to me at on my woman, anti you're paying for with what Mammy Agradaa is doing. I remember politicians who say Ghanaians are really jokers. Ghanaians are really ignorant. The people who are wise in this country, I just feel excuse for me to say. Ebusianfo na me nua bema Yamson. Then o last word that over catch
me last word and one say. Dia ohiamboa. Any dia ohiamboa. In fact say oyalini any dia oma oyalini eduro. And I say one they say they support. They support na dia oma oyalini eduro and I say one oyen one. So let's help the helper to help the need ones. Woman child time the time ma part na emfaso ni so emboa ma part enje obi esikai dia ma part fm ni ye otaru asisi ayesi e man bill na 17th October no problem on chin bo ewo 50 years grandpa ma part weba she will still be evangelist ma part no beba dia Ghana for ye na ko for ye no e yo tem adwuma hye na o ma hye ma part ba ye nyira ye ni nyame tiasi nko ade atamfo ye kwa ma part obepie ohunda oba still Agradaa
ene me toaso e de ama Yamse oka still Agradaa na Mammy Agradaa enuma woto ye emna ye de ne ekokot enewia o se ye de ye nsumo bia ebesumu o ye nsumo bia ebesumu o ye nsumo bia ebesumu o bizenyame biara niwa otese o inti ya wenyame Israel nyankopone o eyawo na wo di Israel for every gwansumu dia ebusianfo menye gosu musician aha ena me de o ebesi na me ka kira wo se onua se why later or back follow the issue in some dia aye heat aye hot na wa ha nyamre na share video yi ema obi nso no onye den onhwe na me ka kira wo se de bia notification bell ato ye post here ana ye ba life obo so aha na over no eyensema eye heat eyensema ekoso enipa bebobo wadwem na omoso omayeden aka na meso mu nua bema effort mo idea so on all social media platform okobo media effort no ho no Twitter di wa konya ba Facebook Instagram bebia no ho ko follow me na ye nto aso na Xposed so ye say ye de ka ye number o pese o ye advert o pese o advertise o product ni e bomu dero emawa need to yen Xposed ye say promoting na free na oni edi kaso bom e pepo o adwuma ho dero e de aden e de amount ebusuafo bibia owo bia se wa bochimem na me ka cho say ai gusu na hwe Xposed na ye wonyama pa e de yeden e de mamu enwoma pa e de yeden e de mamu wa ha edi ensema e wa ha na me sa e ka o say Ghana Xposed de ensema ye di mu akotene issues that are trending and yes ubehu minua bema me am so e wa ha to de bia ubehu say Mondays and every Fridays am ye Ghana nsem emremu hwehwehwe na nse ya no otumu say issues kakra bi e by bema etupan kaka bema asaba bi upati ase inti on Fridays won say prime next week bi e besa atwa so eja so hwehwehwe e ye Ghana nsem elkoso Ghana no we need to address it and everything concerning the entertainment and the economic of Ghana you will be here to sit ye be fra apamfo amomwaba inti ohwehwe enwoma de enwoma fair contact nobody anan when go baby and hwehwe bia Xposed. We are here to expose the things that one see to you and you will hear them. You pet Xposed. I'm a wedding. What you do? Ebusian for that sende. When we are Burma. Yea, I believe I say, me young, more elegant crown. This year. And can even say, call lay, or I not changing, more elegant crown. And Ebusian for my crown. Papa.
Mira, the we are in Sway Asifa Bay. Now a damn has sent swing, and then the one from me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sunny Santi, and I'm in front of it. A bram see there, let me jaw what to coin, and I'm a catcher say, Confine neat roofing system for no matter down so my end, and I'll go for a quantum for my Tamaquafwa, or my down so I share, then you.
Now, Mira, neat roofing system for some walking. A damn pan, a dance from one, tinchina ching, as I said, one, and some boy dance from my end.
Or they would see, when him says, he can't wire thing, and I will yadi and swat. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama ye, and unti, and I'm a share will say, Confine neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Atia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat, the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, rich cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka home they are, any not Safre, neat roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor down Sumawa, a chaye pa.
And it just some neat roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion Chenchen pan or Diaba. Say, if we sabre, if we say, you better bronya bury no. Open neat roofing system company, a catch it, see and cobo down Sumawa. A candia out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka. Nay, do a chi aqua down a swam free. I won't tiare.
As I mind casting in Patem, neat roofing system for Ababia among Krabatani Bio, Parker so, Protua Station, store number 44. I and GRA office in Dinshanimu. A Muntre Mubiano, for neat roofing system for Ewo 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973.
Neat roofing system, Anna. Quality is our hallmark. Mira, the we are in Sway Asifa Bay. Now a damn has sent swing, and then the one from me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sunny Santi, and I'm in front of it. A bram see there, let me jaw what to coin, and I'm a catcher say, Confine neat roofing system for no matter down so my end, and I'll go for a quantum for my Tamaquafwa, or my down so I share, then you.
Now, Mira, neat roofing system for some walking. A damn pan, a dance from one, tinchina ching, as I said, one, and some boy dance from my end.
Or they would see, when him says, he can't wire thing, and I will yadi and swat. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama ye, and unti, and I'm a share will say, Confine neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Atia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat, the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, rich cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka home they are, any not Safre, neat roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor down Sumawa, a chaye pa.
And it just some neat roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion Chenchen pan or Diaba. Say, if we sabre, if we say, you better bronya bury no. Open neat roofing system company, a catch it, see and cobo down Sumawa. A candia out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka. Nay, do a chi aqua down swam free. I won't tiare.
As I mind casting in Patem, neat roofing system for Ababia among Krabatani Bio, Parker so, Protua Station, store number 44. I and GRA office in Dinshanimu. A Muntre Mubiano, for neat roofing system for Ewo 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973.
Neat roofing system, Anna. Quality is our hallmark.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dan and a wasie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dan a wutimona since so to a nuno enuntia ma wona akwakoye bisi basa any name de asempa enam natural things e bie wo mo ensem e de amasa krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubu nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda Onyado